वेलकम टू माय चैनल विराट स्टडी। आज हम लेकर आ रहे हैं टॉप मोस्ट 20 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ जर्नल साइंस जो हर पेपर में रिपीट होते हैं और बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं। आप रट लीजिए, एक या दो क्वेश्चन तो यहाँ से पक्का ही आएगा। प्लीज़ देखिए। नाउ स्टार्ट। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट करेक्ट अबाउट एथेनॉल? Option A, it is a good solvent. Option B, it gives out hydrogen when reacted with sodium. Option C, it is an odorless liquid. And D, all are the correct. The right answer is, it is an odorless liquid. Note, ethanol is a good solvent and react with sodium, leading to the evolution of hydrogen. It is a colorless liquid with a slight characteristic odor. Next question. Question number 2. Which of the following non-metal is used in the manufacturing of matchsticks? Option A, carbon. B, nitrogen. C, sulfur. D, phosphorus. The right answer is phosphorus. Note, phosphorus is used in the manufacturing of matchstick. The chemical present on the tip of the matchsticks are potassium chlorate, sulfur, starch and glue. Matchbox striking surface contain red phosphorus, powder glass and glue. The next question number 3. Who gave theory of photosynthesis? ये फोटोसिंथेसिस वाला क्वेश्चन बहुत बार पूछा जाता है और हमारे जो है टेक्स्ट बुक में भी देखने को मिलता है एनसीईआरटीज़ की, और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। ये कहीं ना मतलब हर तरह के एग्ज़ाम में पूछा जाता है, हैज़ ए जीएस, हैज़ ए जीके। तो ये मतलब बताना है कि हमें जो फोटोसिंथेसिस की थ्योरी है वो किसने दी है। ऑप्शन ए, मॉरिक हिलमैन। बी, जैक हॉर्नर। सी, जैन इंगेज हाउस। डी, फ्रेंच मेस्मर। द राइट आंसर इज यस, फोटोसिंथेसिस एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जो है कंसेप्ट है और ये पूछा ही जाता है। किसी भी फॉर्म में क्वेश्चन आए फोटोसिंथेसिस रिलेटेड जरूर आता है, तो इसको अच्छे से देख लीजिए कि थ्योरी किसने दी है। द राइट आंसर इज जैन इंगेज हाउस. Jan Inge House is a Dutch-born British physician and scientist, best known for his discovery of the process of photosynthesis, by which green plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen in sunlight. The next question number 4. What is the term known as a giant growth of algae? Option A, panic boom. B, algal boom. C, herbal boom. D, patkai boom. The right answer is algal boom. A massive growth or rapid increase in the population of algae in water is known as algal boom. Next question number 5. Which among the following metal is the hardest metal? आपको hardest metal बताना है। तो ऑप्शन ए, प्लैटिनम। बी, गोल्ड। सी, आयरन। डी, टंगस्टन। द राइट आंसर इज, हार्डेस्ट मेटल कौन सा है जल्दी बताइएगा। The right answer is tungsten. Tungsten has the highest tensile strength of any natural matter with an ultimate strength of 1510 megapascal. And tungsten has the highest melting point 3422 degrees Celsius and 6192 degree Fahrenheit. Lowest vapor pressure at the temperature of 1650 degrees Celsius and 3000 degree Fahrenheit. Next question number 6. Mammalogy is the branch of science related to the study of. Option A, mammal. B, breast. C, mollusk. And D, none of these. The right answer is mammal. Mammalogy is a branch of biology that deal with the study of mammal. Next question. Who among the following is considered as the father of microbiology? Option A, Stephen Hales. B, Antoine von Leeuwenhoek. C, Edwin John Butler. D, Pierre Antonio Michelin. The right answer is Antoine von Leeuwenhoek. Antoine von Leeuwenhoek used the single lens microscope he built to make the first observation of bacteria and protozoa. Leeuwenhoek is universally acknowledged as the father of microbiology. Next question number 8. Which of the following causes chloroplasts to be green? Option A, because they contain the pigment copylate. B, because they contain the pigment chlorophyll. C, because they contain the pigment carotenoid. D, because they contain the pigment beta-cyanin. Yes, what is the right answer of this question? The right answer is of this question is because they contain the pigment chlorophyll. Chloroplasts are green because they contain the pigment chlorophyll, which is important for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll occur in many different forms. Chlorophyll A and B are the major pigment of higher plants and green algae. Now next question. The part of the body that turn into feather in birds. Hind limb, forelimb, pelvic girdle, none of the above. What is the right answer is forelimb. The part of the body that turn into feather in bird is forelimb. The forelimb of bird turns into feather which help them to fly. Next question, question number 10. What causes the twinkling of star? Option A, atmospheric reflections of starlight. B, dispersion of starlight. C, scattering of starlight. D, none. What is the right answer? Right answer is atmospheric reflection of starlight. यही एक रीज़न होता है ट्विंकलिंग ऑफ स्टार का. तो द ट्विंकलिंग ऑफ स्टार इज ड्यू टू एटमॉस्फेरिक रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ स्टारलाइट. द स्टारलाइट ऑन एंटरिंग द अर्थ atmosphere undergoes refraction continuously before it reaches the earth. Next question, question number 11. Which of the following is the lens of the eye? बता सकते हैं कि आई का लेंस कौन सा है इनमें से? Yes, the right answer is bioconvex. The lens of the eye is bioconvex, relatively cellular, optically transparent intraocular structure. It serves to transmit light to the retina with the least amount of light scattering along with the cornea. The next question, question number 12. Chameleons are example of which class of reptile? Dipstia, Parapstia, Anapstia, none of this above. The right answer is Diapstia. The right answer is Diapstia. The next question is ringworm is a disease caused by. ये जो रिंगवर्म एक होता है ना, दांत जिसको हम बोलते हैं, वो डिसीज किस कारण से होती है? वायरस से, फ्लाइज से, फंगी से, बैक्टीरिया से. द राइट आंसर इज फंगी is the main reason. And ringworm, also known as dermatophytosis or tinea, is a fungal infection of the skin or scalp. The name ringworm is a misnomer since the infection is caused by a fungus, not a worm. The infection initially present with red patches on affected area of the skin and later spread to other parts of the body. Next question, the scientific name of peacock. Peacock, मोर का scientific name क्या है? Pavos cristatus, Gallus gallus, Columbia livia, none of this above. What is the scientific name of peacock? Yes? क्या हो सकता है peacock का scientific name? The right answer is A. Option A, Pavocristatus. The next question, question number 15. How many layers are present in the human eye? ह्यूमन आई में कितने लेयर्स प्रेजेंट होती हैं? तो नेक्स्ट राइट आंसर इज द 3 लेयर्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द ह्यूमन आई. दीज आर फाइब्रस कोट और स्क्लेरा, वास्कुलर कोट और यूवियल ट्रैक्ट एंड नर्वस कोट और रेटिना. इनके तीनों लेयर के दो नाम हैं, वो हम बता चुके हैं यहाँ पर. तो अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, व्हाट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ पैटर्नल क्रोमोसोम्स रिजल्ट इन फीमेल? ZX, XY, XX, YZ. Yes, what is the right answer? The right answer is XX. Among the many things parents hand down to their children are 23 pairs of the chromosomes. Those thread-like structure in the nucleus of every cell containing the genetic instructions for every person. One of those pairs are the chromosomes that determine the biological sex of a child. Girls have an XX pair and boys have an XY pair. Female always passes an X chromosomes onto their offspring. If the father passes on an X chromosomes, the baby will be genetically female. And if the father passes on a Y chromosomes, the baby will be a genetically male. Next question, which blood group is a universal donor? कौन सा ब्लड ग्रुप जो है यूनिवर्सल डोनर माना जाता है, जो हर किसी के लिए यूज़ में आ सकता है? तो वो है हमारा ओ पॉजिटिव, ओ नेगेटिव, ए बी नेगेटिव, ए बी पॉजिटिव. तो कौन सा सकता है वो है हमारा ओ नेगेटिव इज़ द यूनिवर्सल डोनर. ओके, Next question, who discovered benzene? John Napier, John Dalton, J.J. Thomson, Michael Faraday. The right answer is Michael Faraday. Although Michael Faraday, 1791 to 1867, is primarily known for his research on electromagnetism, he made significant contribution to the field of chemistry, including discovering chlorine and carbon. Faraday also discovered benzene, contributed to the development of electrolysis, and made modern chemistry labs possible by inventing an early Bunsen burner. He is generally considered one of the greatest scientists of all the time. The next question, which vitamin is abundant in citrus fruit? ये बहुत बार पूछा जाता है और पता भी होना चाहिए हमें, has a knowledge. Which vitamin is abundant in citrus fruit? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin D. The right answer is vitamin C. Next question is the last question. A transition from the solid to gas phase with no intermediate liquid stage is called evaporation, sublimation, absorption, solid phase extraction. The right answer is sublimation.